Hello everyone, I'm Samik Basu. I'm a former student of Udgam School for Children. I secured All India rank 67 in CLAT 2023 and All India rank 97 in ALET 2023. My journey for CLAT began in 2021 because I was always interested in national politics, geopolitics, debating and MUNs. And for my CLAT preparation, I was grateful. I was, lucky to have to be able to get the guidance of the wonderful faculty at Ekoching, who created a very conducive environment where I could not only study but also have fun along the way. I vividly recall the classes of Vikram sir and Shruti ma'am, where I learned how to prepare for CLAT in the best way possible. So I'm immensely grateful to the entire staff at Ekoching for making this journey so smooth. I would like to wish my juniors the very best for your CLAT. Just trust the process, trust yourself, all will be well. Thank you.